I'm Ben Bogie. I'm a high-performance builder and educator from Connecticut. I came out here to Sashco in an effort to help educate their team and share some of my experiences with sealants in the field and things that I look for, as well as to learn from them about how they develop their products, how their products perform, and what sets them apart. I have learned a tremendous amount while I was here. The most interesting things for me were the look at the lab and how they quantify the performance of the materials that they build and they make, and how the test methods are conducted and the types of things that they're looking for in making a high performance sealant. I'd like to run some of the machines and actually do some of the tests in the lab myself, just because I could spend another 3 days probably just doing those things if they let me. Nothing I can say really surprised me. What I am taken by is the culture of the company and the family nature and the care that you see amongst the team and amongst how much they clearly enjoy working here.